brown. Brownish.
You're talking about the ginger tree.
Exactly.
Ginger tree?
I mean, look at it. It's alienated. Nobody wants to hang out with that tree. It's all by itself.
That's your worst enemy, gingers.
Yep.
He said, yep. And nemesis.
My arch rival is ugly head.
My hatred for ginger
Fuck
started.
you.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
No, I had this kid in my kindergarten class. I couldn't stand. I always used to throw sand on him. Just walk up, throw sand, and run away. I'm a dirty ginger.
What? What?
And I think that's where my hatred for ginger started.
Oh.
Continued on.
Ginger. Wow. They are.
I think reproducing with ginger should be outlawed. Within 3 generations, we'll rid our planet of them. Dead ass serious.
Yeah, I mean, 3 generations, because it is.
It'd be funny if you and Leanne had a son and he was a
Don't you
ginger.
fucking put that evil on me. Don't you put that evil on me. I've never seen a Native American with ginger hair. I've never seen a Puerto Rican with red hair.
We'll see.
You? Have you?
Ginger strands in there.
You have to go for
Really?
Sad to say, oh yeah. Hey, don't worry, man.
He has a son. He's gonna be creeping in my window every night. Fuck you.
Hey, just make him dye his fucking hair.
Dude, my boy has a equal hatred for gingers back home, and his girlfriend has like she's a few DNA strands away from being ginger. How long ago?
That's really a joke, right? You can't really hate them. It's just
Well, no, you can buy a brown hair person, blonde hair person, red hair person. You had to pick one person year round. You really hate him. One of my good friends. He's true ginger.
Hey, what the hell are you looking at?
Catching all this action over here.
catching the echoes bouncing off.
Bagel, bagel.
Goddamn bagel bagel.
He's used to screaming in the woods.
Look.
Boom, shakalaka.
Maybe so dirt.
I knew. Wow, you guys are way the fuck out there.
Everywhere.
A rock march.